Okay, now in this video I will show you how can we enter data in Microsoft Excel sheet by data entry form. To show this technique, I start first a Microsoft Excel sheet. Now I am going to open a Microsoft Excel sheet. Here you see a Microsoft Excel sheet worksheet. To entry data in Microsoft Excel by form, user form or form. First, I have to customize the ribbon. Customize the ribbon. In ordinary mode or by default in the customize ribbon, in the ribbon there's no option data entry form. To customize the ribbon, first I have to click this icon, the customize quick access toolbar. Here I click through mouse the customize access quick access toolbar. After that, I go to the more command. After that, I choose command from popular command option. Through the drop down list, I select it as all commands. After that, I search or find the data entry form, or usually it is spelling as form. Okay, I am scrolling for mouse to reach the form option. Okay, I see here the option, the name form. Yes, I find it. This is the option form. I click it. After that, add, and finally I click here OK. By this way, here a icon appears. In this way, here's a icon appear named the form. You can see here. To entry for the entry data, I have to first select the option that is like in the form of table. Here I write some information like name, designation, basic salary, house rent. Okay, here I want to enter a data entry form so that I can easily enter data in this category. To do that, first I select a cell just near about below this line or first row. I select just randomly one cell, or I select a cell first cell just below one row. Okay, after that I go to the ribbon bar and select the option form. Okay, I click it through the mouse left button. Here a pop-up window shows and some data. After showing this message, I click here OK. Here you can see a data entry form appears here, and it shows 4 category of data: name, designation, basic salary, and house rent. In this form, I can easily enter data in the Excel sheet. And how it is possible, now I am going to show you. Suppose name, I write here a name, Mr. Korim. After writing this, I have to go to the second column by using the keyboard option tab. I enter the tab button. I just keystroke in the tab button. After that, designation. Say designation is officer. After that, I keystroke in the tab button. Basic salary say 65,000, and tab button I entered or keystroke the tab button. House rent say 60, say 30,000. Okay, I entered some data. After that, I entered or I keystroke the entered button. Here you see my data is entered in the corresponding cell. Here I will enter the second data. Say it is Rohim. Keystroke the step button. Designation SO. Keystroke step button. Basic salary 75,000. Keystroke house rent say 45,000, and after that keystroke the enter button. Okay, you see some data is entering just one after one in this category name, designation, basic salary and house rent. And in this way you can enter data in Excel sheet by using this form. And now you can find the data in the find previous and find next button. Say you need to go to the previous data, so go to find previous. Here you see some data is showing here, and you need to edit here. Go to edit button and PO entered new button. Here you say data is updated, and in this way you can update data. After completion the data entry task, you just close the cancel button. No more today. Thanks for watching this video.